enter the crystal kingdom where dreams and magic entwine. A path awaits for those with open hearts and minds divine. Listen closely to whispers of the wind and gentle streams. Follow the melody that guides to where souls' desires gleam.
Welcome back to our channel, Adventurers. It's time for another thrilling quest that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Today, we have something truly special in store for all of you. Get ready to embark on an epic adventure into the enchanting world of the Crystal Kingdom. Our young heroes, Alex and Emily, find themselves in the midst of a tempestuous night. The rain pours down relentlessly, and thunder roars through the sky. But their determination to uncover the secrets of the Crystal Kingdom remains unwavering. With each step they take, the howling wind and crashing thunder only fuel their excitement. They know that beyond this treacherous night lies a realm filled with magic, wonder, and untold treasures. As they venture deeper into the darkness, their senses sharpen. They catch glimpses of mysterious creatures darting between the trees, their eyes gleaming with curiosity. The forest itself seems alive with anticipation. Alex and Emily navigate treacherous paths, their determination pushing them forward despite the challenges they face. They leap over fallen branches, ford rushing rivers, and climb steep cliffs, never losing sight of their goal. In this extraordinary world, the animals themselves possess the gift of speech. Birds whisper ancient tales, rabbits offer sage advice, and wise old owls guide them with their profound knowledge. Every step brings them closer to the heart of the Crystal Kingdom.
Look, Emily, a wise old owl. Maybe it can guide us on our quest.
Welcome, young ones. To find the Crystal Kingdom, you must solve 12 puzzles. But before we embark on this quest, let me tell you about the Crystal Kingdom itself. It is a realm of wonders and holds a very special magic within its core.
What kind of magic, Mr. Owl?
That is for you to discover. However, I can reveal that within the Crystal Kingdom, you will encounter beings such as the singing fairy, the unicorn, the sparkling river, the mummy, the queen of gold, the mermaid, a vampire, the sleeping queen, the lion, the joint, and the dwarf. These are just a glimpse of the enchanting creatures and places that await you.
It sounds fascinating. We'll explore every corner of the Crystal Kingdom.
Can you join us for puzzle solving, Mr. Owl?
Of course, young adventurer. I will accompany you on your quest and provide guidance when needed. Let's focus on solving the first puzzle, which involves the singing fairy. Remember, each puzzle will bring you closer to unlocking the secrets of the Crystal Kingdom.
But how do we find her? And where?
Excellent question, Alex. Finding the singing fairy will require us to follow the clues hidden within the Crystal Kingdom. According to the ancient legends, the singing fairy resides in a magical grove deep within the enchanted forest.
That sounds amazing. How do we get to the enchanted forest, Mr. Owl?
Patience, young Emily. To reach the enchanted forest, we must first traverse the Forest of Wonder. Its towering trees and hidden wonders will guide us on our path. As we venture deeper into the forest, we must keep our senses sharp and be open to the magical encounters that await us.
So, once we reach the enchanted forest, how will we know where to find the singing fairy?
That's where the first puzzle comes into play. The ancient riddle speaks of the Path of Whispers. It suggests that we need to listen closely to the whispers of the wind and the gentle babbling of the streams. By following the melodic guidance they provide, we shall find our way to the Singing Fairy's Grove.
That's fascinating. It's like the forest itself is guiding us towards the magical beings.
I can't wait to hear the whispers and discover the path to the Singing Fairy.
Your enthusiasm is commendable, young adventurers. Remember, as you embark on this quest, keep your hearts and minds open to the wonders of the Crystal Kingdom. Every step you take, every challenge you overcome, will bring you closer to the ultimate goal, unveiling the secrets of this enchanting realm.
We're ready, Mr. Owl. Guide us through this puzzle, and together we'll succeed.
The Singing Fairy song speaks of a path in the heart of the Crystal Kingdom where dreams and magic intertwine. It suggests that we need to listen closely to the whispers of the wind and gentle streams.
Alex, Emily, and the wise owl advance further into the Forest of Wonder, their eyes and ears attuned to the subtle signs around them. The leaves rustle in a delicate symphony, and the streams murmur a mysterious melody.
Do you hear that, Alex? The whispers of the wind and the soft babbling of the streams.
Yes, it's as if the forest is trying to guide us. Let's follow the sounds and see where they lead.
As our heroes navigate the path of whispers, they encounter breathtaking sights and captivating creatures. The forest comes alive, revealing hidden nooks and crannies, where fairies dance among blooming flowers and ancient trees share their age-old wisdom. As our courageous adventurers approached the enchanted forest, their path was suddenly blocked by the formidable presence of a majestic dragon. The dragon's emerald scales shimmered in the sunlight, and its fiery breath billowed forth, casting an intimidating glow. With a thunderous voice that echoed through the forest, the dragon issued a challenge.
You seek the Singing Fairy, mortal? The dragon bellowed, its eyes gleaming with a mix of curiosity and challenge. If you wish to proceed, you must prove your worth through combat. Face me, and only then shall you earn the right to continue your quest.
Undeterred by the dragon's imposing figure, our adventurers took a step forward, determination gleaming in their eyes. Their hearts pounded with adrenaline, fueled by a deep yearning to reach the Singing Fairy and the promise of magic that lay ahead.
I'll fight with you.
In a moment of unwavering courage, Alex's words echo through the air, resonating with bravery and a burning desire to protect their companions. The dragon pauses, seemingly taken aback by this unexpected act of defiance.
Come, young man. Face the might of my flames, if you dare.
Alex stands firm, their eyes locked with the dragon's fierce gaze. They refuse to cower in the face of this formidable adversary, fueled by a determination that burns brighter than the dragon's flames. The dragon, momentarily surprised, acknowledges the bravery of this young warrior. Its imposing figure seems to recognize the audacity and unwavering spirit that emanates from Alex.
Very good, young man. You are audacity is commendable.
Time seems to slow as the clash between dragon and warrior begins. The air crackles with tension, each swing of the blade a testament to Alex's unwavering resolve. Their movements are a dance of bravery and skill, a symphony of determination. Drawing their trusted sword from its scabbard, Alex prepared for the battle of a lifetime. The clash of steel against scales filled the air as the dragon lunged forward, jaws agape, revealing rows of razor-sharp teeth. As flames erupted from the dragon's maw, Alex deftly sidestepped, narrowly avoiding the scorching heat. Seizing the opportunity, they lunged forward, driving their sword into a vulnerable spot on the dragon's side. A mighty roar echoed through the forest as the dragon recoiled in pain. But the battle was far from over. The dragon's eyes blazed with renewed determination, and it unleashed its most devastating attack yet, a torrent of searing flames. Undaunted, Alex summoned their inner strength and unleashed a powerful counterattack. Their strikes were swift and precise, finding gaps in the dragon's defense. With a resounding crash, the dragon fell to the ground, its body dissipating into a cloud of shimmering embers. Silence settled upon the forest as our adventurer caught their breath, triumphant yet weary. They had overcome the dragon's challenge and proven their mettle. Knowing the singing fairy awaited them beyond the dragon's realm, our adventurer pressed forward, a newfound determination and a sense of accomplishment propelling them onward. The echoes of battle faded into the distance as they moved closer to the magical kingdom. And so, our brave adventurers, Alex and Emily, emerged victorious from their battle with the dragon. Their hearts filled with excitement and anticipation as they stepped into the serene and enchanting grove, where the ethereal melodies of the singing fairy echoed through the air. In meadows adorned with blossoms so fair, they sense the presence of the singing fairies.
Alex, do you hear? It, the elusive sound, a symphony of whispers, softly profound?
Yes, dear Emily, it resonates deep. An enchanting melody, secrets it does keep. Their steps, light as feathers, guide them near to where the singing fairy's voice they can hear.
Come, let us follow the harmonious trail, through forest glades and across the dappled vale.
With hearts alight and spirits soaring high, we'll chase the echoes beneath the starry sky.
Look, over there, amid the ancient trees, a shimmering glow, where the singing fairy frees.
Like moonlit stardust, her presence divine, in her radiant aura, we find solace and shine.
Her voice, a lilting cadence, pure and serene, whispering tales of worlds that remain unseen.
With bated breath, we approach her with grace, drawn to the magic of this mystical space.
Indeed, young ones, the singing fairy awaits your arrival, but be prepared, for her puzzle will challenge your wits and test your determination.
We're ready, Mr. Owl. Lead the way. The hidden grove within the enchanted forest is a place of enchantment and mystery. Each step our adventurers take brings them closer to the singing fairy and the secrets she holds. As they venture deeper into the grove, the air becomes infused with a sense of magic. The melodies of the singing fairy grow stronger, beckoning our heroes forward. The grove reveals hidden wonders at every turn. Delicate flowers bloom, releasing their intoxicating fragrance, while gentle streams babble with crystal clear water. It's a place where nature and magic intertwine.
The beauty of this grove is truly mesmerizing. It's as if we've stepped into a different realm.
And the melodies. They're guiding us, leading us closer to the singing fairy.
Keep following the sound, my young adventurers. The puzzle awaits.
With each step, Alex, Emily, and Mr. Owl draw nearer to the singing fairy and the next chapter of their extraordinary journey. What challenges lie ahead? What secrets will they uncover? Stay tuned for the next episode as they unravel the mysteries of the grove and continue their quest in the enchanting world of the Crystal Kingdom. Thank you for joining us today on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on Alex and Emily's quest through the Crystal Kingdom. Until next time, fellow adventurers.
In the heart of the Crystal Kingdom where dreams and magic entwine, a path awaits for those with open hearts and minds divine. Listen closely to whispers of the wind and gentle streams. Follow the melody that guides to where your soul's desires clean.